this stuff up. New shirt I bought from Old Town. A little bit far away from Old Town now. But 15 minutes. Yeah. Those sticky dirts in there though. This is weird, they've got all that metal pins on that. Oh. Thanks for watching, and you probably should subscribe to this because I think this story is going to get awfully mental. As if it ain't already. What the fuck is that all about? What the fuck? But anyway, pins shut. Still banging though. Okay, that'll go on the foot later. Right, yeah. Right, so we haven't filmed for a few days. We got Sash the Monster. What we got? We had a little cash in hand job that I've lagged, and going to give some leaflets out. What's the event called? Encore.
The Encore.
It's in the ball ring or something. So yeah, I'll put the proper camera on in a bit. Fantastic event. I'd like to see you there. Like it. No worries. I want to get this guy in the car. I don't know why. I'm going to try and give it to him again. Just got moved away. Just do it up here, innit? Of him. He's all on his own, you don't even know I'm here filming him though. All on his own. Always get right over here. So as you walk into about 10-15 minutes from mine, quite bopping. But yeah, giving out leaflets and that, turned into a massive job opportunity. I'm gonna take you all around it tonight. Fuck, I ain't doing fuck all with money. Yeah, it's down a little bit early, so there, isn't it?
Gracias, thank you. Bye.
Look at me, my new t-shirt. Oh, God. Classical music. Too easy. So we have just arrived in Aloha Gardens. No sun here. But about 40 degrees. I'll just stand in the sun giving the flies to no one, shall I? Jesus Christ. I'll just do a bunk, bud. There you go, twice in a week. Done. Looks like it could be all over, but I still don't give a fuck. Wow. I really am stuck, if I'm honest. Carrying all that gear ain't easy. I need to get it stored up somewhere, but friend taking pity on me. Hold my bag. Shit. Fit a bit of music, really. Key. Yeah, to show me how to use that. And how mad is it? The other day when I was in San Pedro taking pictures, right here. So we've got the GoPro back. Only the second one I bought. Sorry for trying to buy a memory card. But we are, yes, we have skipped towns to San Pedro. Horse on the wall. Wow. Stations around there. I've been there a few times over the phone. Might have to go back there tomorrow actually. Lost a piece of ball. Yeah, I've been all around here. My office is around the back. Sound proper defeated, I don't mean to be. Maybe I am, who knows. Spanish wedding going on. Seems like to have a banger, doesn't it? The Boulevard, it's all like 25 euros for dinner. I don't give a shit that much, if I'm honest. Nice little bit. Eating, isn't it? Banging. Strawberry cheesecake and lemon. Standard. And then I realise the work office is just over there. I was here the other night. Sounded a banger over there. So, found these little alleyways, turned that into a vlog all of a sudden, and yeah, I'll take you down there, eh? Well, pretty house. Hair shop. Wonder what's at the bottom. Benches and that. So there's not much at the bottom. Pretty little alleyway though. San Pedro. And it's like a little neighbourhood there. Probably shouldn't be on it, but we'll have a look anyway. So, just been taking pictures and my battery runs out. And the shitty phone mate give me. The SAS boat. So we're going to walk back up this one. What the fuck is he on about? The thing, we've just come back out on the bit where I need to go. Hope so, eh? Huh. Fruit shop. Charge the battery up for a bit and we'll go out at night, eh? So there's a Burger King down the street, which is meant to be fast food. Don't let anyone tell you it's fast food out here. It's the slowest place you'll ever go in. I mean, literally, it's painful. And they've got no sense of, like, I've been queuing up 25 minutes, they just walk straight in front of you. No manners whatsoever in every single one. I've done it in every single one, every time I've queued up. Literally. Just sitting here in San Pedro. What, 7 weeks. I can't, I don't feel I can miss any more of the dog's life. I think that we could be happier out here. But all the time it keeps going on. I'm missing their time, the best time. Side.